Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm Albert, and this is a quick how-to guide for the best veggies without the hassles. I grow in Zone 5A, so this is all cold-tested and friendly for smaller spaces. Perennial vegetables are tough characters that return year after year. Think less fuss, more harvest, a garden that largely takes care of itself. Plant once, then enjoy for years as beds mature and production ramps up. Perfect for busy lives, small yards, and anyone craving a calmer way to grow. We're working with nature, not against it. More reward for less work. Right, let's dive in. So, what exactly are perennial vegetables? Simple. They come back on their own every year. You plant them once, then they reappear each spring without the annual seedling circus. They're the backbone of a low-maintenance garden. Deep roots anchor soil, improve drainage, and build rich structure over time. They're drought-tolerant once established, so you water less and relax more. And they support wildlife, beneficial insects, pollinators, even birds. In short, steady food, healthier soil, and a more beautiful, resilient space. It's the ultimate long-term investment in your garden's future. Now, a few hardy performers I love in Zone 5A. First up, asparagus, the king of spring. Plant crowns in a rich, well-dug trench in a sunny spot. Be patient for 2 seasons, then enjoy flushes every spring for up to 20 years. Rhubarb loves cool climates. Give it sun and rich soil. Let it settle the first year, then harvest from year 2 onward. Remember, leaves are poisonous. Toss them on the compost. Ramps thrive in dappled spring light beneath deciduous trees. For sustainability, take just 1 leaf per plant each year. They taste like a punchy garlic onion hybrid, absolutely unforgettable. Sorrel is a carefree workhorse, sun or partial shade, it just goes. The more you cut, the more it produces, tangy leaves all season. Brilliant in salads, soups, and sauces for a zesty lift. Plant these once, and the kitchen payoff keeps coming, year after year. Success is simple. Prepare rich soil, water well in year 1, and mulch thickly. Mulch conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and feeds the soil as it breaks down. Top up compost in spring, tidy in autumn. Ongoing care is minimal. Give it a go and enjoy more free time with a steady harvest. Tells us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.